There's a feeling in the air that you can't get anywhere except in Calgary. I taste 1,000 yesterdays and I love the magic ways of Calgary. From the mountains close at hand, I can look across the land and see you touch the sky.
Touch the sky.
From the prairies glow to where the sunsets go, we're all good neighbors passing by. Makes no difference where I go.